Welcome back to my more important analysis videos on Wednesday, 2nd of November with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at cable now. And we had a mild uplift on cable yesterday, very small gain. But considering how weak the dollar was, generally speaking, I think this is a pretty disappointing move. And it, I think, reflects the underlying sort of reluctance to buy sterling at the moment. There is a support. Sorry, let's go back to the daily. There is a support, and that is sort of holding the market above 120.80. But I don't really see this as a seriously strong recovery. You'd need to move above 23.30 to really suggest that the market is breaking out. And for now, I don't necessarily see that happening. We're sort of back around that 22.50 level again. That sort of was resistance last week. Mild breakout to 22.70 at the end of last week. Again, sort of 22.80. So he's sort of testing this resistance, but never really breaking free of it. And again, this morning we're sort of seeing that move, whereby you've sort of seen a move break out 22.84, but again, sort of pulling back. It's just indecisive, really. And I see obviously that the dollar is weakening on the back of this Trump story, but cable is just not really benefiting off the back of it, and there is a slight disappointment with that. And if you could argue if the polls get it wrong, then I think there could be a significant dollar strengthening again, which would be certainly, I think, a drag on cable, and I think cable would be one of the big sort of selling movers on the back of that. But yeah, you are sort of seeing a mild uplift, and yes, you could argue sort of might pull back towards the top, maybe 22.30. If you sort of have a decisive move above 22.80, so 22.80, which is a resistance from yesterday, I think you could start to sort of drift back towards the highs again. But again, I don't necessarily see this as the beginning of a significant correction. I think it would have to be a Trump victory to really sort of weaken the dollar significantly, and that would be the push above 23.30. But in the absence of that, I think it's going to be a selling into strength game once more. So I wish you good luck in your trading on cable, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.